What's up, guys? It's CC with Orange Wires. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow even more. We're talking about doing some really big things in the works, possibly even a giveaway coming up real soon for one of you guys. So watch the video, like it, comment on it, tell us what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong, what you would do to fix this bed and this truck.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's another new day here with our 2001 Toyota Tacoma restoration. And we have been just knocking around on this bed, trying to get it all straight. But today we got to focus in, don't we?
We got to focus. Get it all ready to be painted and ready to go back on the truck.
We gotta finish up this side, getting these dents out. This tailgate, JP, he done pretty good. I feel a low spot or two, but it's ready. It's almost ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump on this. We're gonna probably put another coat on this. Gonna probably put another coat on that. We're gonna get the compressors fired up. We're gonna get ourselves fired up, right?
Right.
That's the problem.
We're gonna get ourselves fired up, and we're gonna get this done. It's got to get in primer today. So let's hop to it.
Hello, good morning. JP here in action. I've been working on this tailgate. Got about probably 20 hours in this thing. Could have bought one for about 200. So I probably got about $500 in bought on glaze in it. But I got her all smoothed up. She feels good. We're gonna get this, get some primer on this thing and try to get some paint on it on the next channel.
Man, we have been working like crazy today. Right, JP wasn't kidding. We got like a lot of time in this bed. It wasn't really bent up. It was just waved up a little bit, you know. So we're almost ready. We're almost ready. We're gonna take the DA to it and block it down these other little spots just one more time. And we're gonna clean this bed out. We're putting primer on it today. We're putting primer on it today. Quick update on our second Gen Tacoma that we've been working on. Kind of off camera. We kind of got this whole side ready to block down and paint now. So we got the hood. We still got a good bit of work to do on the other side. Some of the mods are already coming in. So you know what? This truck's gonna be monumental. It's gonna be a beautiful truck. Can't wait to show it y'all. Alrighty, man, check this thing out. I think we got about 4 coats of primer on it. Just a little bit of glaze, a little bit of Bondo. We got it looking really good. We're not really worried too much about the inside cause, you know, it's a truck bed and we're gonna put some spray in bed liner in that. But this thing's coming together. It is coming together. I just love this little truck. I know that y'all do too. It's beautiful. It's gonna be a beautiful truck. So I think today our mission was accomplished. We got this sucker in the primer. In the next video, we are going to put it in the booth and we're going to get it painted. That is a 100% goal. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. It's real important. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.